What's up guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I want to talk a bit about this mind-blowing upcoming open world game made in Unreal Engine 5. It is called Towers and the idea behind it is truly revolutionary. So Towers is a survival fantasy world building game where the core experience is focused on building an ecosystem and a town, which are the towers, keeping the balance between nature and civilization. The game is still in the prototype phase, but hopefully, as they mentioned in the Discord server, we'll be having some news very soon. Now I have to mention that this game was announced a few years ago, but I couldn't wait, so I wanted to make a video covering like the tech behind it and stuff. One of the most amazing things is that the whole trailer was recorded in a spectator mode, which means that pretty much all what you're seeing here is network replicated gameplay, and all the players in there are the devs running, climbing, shooting, etc. Like that's so cool. You know, what we're actually seeing is actual gameplay and people playing the game. It already looks so polished and just perfect. Now real quick, if you want to start making games in Unreal Engine 5, my entire YouTube channel is dedicated to game development and UI5 tutorials, so check them out. Back to Towers, let me talk about the team behind it. The developers are Dreamlike Games, and they're the same team that made the core of Hulking. If you don't remember Hulking was a mech first-person shooter, which actually got to be pretty popular back in 2014. I remember playing it and having a really good time. But in Towers, there are only 6 developers currently working in the game. Now, not so long ago, they did start to recruit people, so probably this number has increased a bit, but all of what you're seeing right now here on the screen is basically made by 6 people. 6 people. And you know, this really links into a recent video that I made highlighting how Unreal Engine 5 is really revolutionizing the industry and how many talented game devs are starting to appear. If you want to check that out, link in the description. Oh, also, this was all made in only 12 months, basically a year, which is just a wow for the gameplay we're watching here. Now, as a dev, I am very interested in the tech behind it. As I mentioned already 50 times before, it is made in Unreal Engine 5, but originally they began in UE4 and then upgraded. The map is really big, like you will take 30 minutes to walk across it, which is thanks to features such as nanite and wall partition, where the world will be loaded slowly as you explore and so on. Towers fidelity will be so high that for now it will only support 15 to 25 players, but this might change a lot, so let's see. The thing is that they want to deliver a smooth and no lag experience, so I think that will be the right choice. The servers will be a combination of dedicated and peer-to-peer, so it will give us freedom if we want to host our own game, invite our friends, or we have a fixed living world. So that's pretty much what I want to say. I can't wait to see more about this game. It really blows my mind. If you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so like I mentioned before, check them out. Join my Discord server to talk with the other devs, and with all that said, bye.